a great salad, it takes a great salad base. And that's why I love these Rolling Hills Farm salad blends from Basil Bandwagon Natural Market. This one is a flower power salad blend, and you can see that it's got little edible flowers in there, which I love. This one is also flower power, but it's got some different types of flowers going on in there. I've just never been disappointed by these salad blends. They're just lovely, and they're produced locally here in New Jersey, in Lambertville, New Jersey. New Jersey shout out! So first put in your salad bowl 5 ounces of your favorite salad blend. I'm going to add 1/2 cup of walnut pieces. These are toasted walnuts. And just breaking them up into little pieces here. I don't know where Basil Bandwagon gets their walnuts, but they're just always really gorgeous, the walnuts in the bulk area. If you have a nut allergy, you could always do sunflower seeds, or, you know, you prefer to skip the nuts and seeds, that's okay too. But it does add nice omega-3 fats, helping to make this an anti-inflammatory salad. Next, I'm adding 1/2 cup of fresh blueberries. I'm going to cut up 2 oranges, remove both ends, then use your knife to carefully peel off the skin. And we're going to repeat that with our other orange, which is a blood orange. Pull apart the segments. Or there's a fancy move I can show you to get the membrane off, where you just very carefully cut between the membrane like this. Feel free to just pull them apart like the other ones. Next, I'm going to slice up 1 small fennel bulb. You'll want to remove the core of the fennel bulb. And then just thinly slice through. Looking yummy. Now it's time to make our dressing. I like to make my dressings in a jar with a lid. You can use a special dressing bottle if you like. For the dressing, I have 1 tablespoon of grainy mustard, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, 1/4 cup of fresh orange juice, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt. We're going to add our oranges to our salad. And if you're not serving the salad right away, you can cover it and keep the salad separate from the dressing, stored in the refrigerator. But if you're serving it right away, you can go ahead and toss it with the dressing. Now that's a salad. Thanks for joining me to learn how to make this quick and easy, delicious salad featuring anti-inflammatory ingredients. I hope you try it, and I'll see you the next time.